Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today, I'm bringing to you some super soft and fluffy donuts. Without wasting time, let's just get started. I've got my fresh yeast over here. I'll just put it in a ceramic bowl. Then come in with about half a teaspoon of sugar. I'll come in with some lukewarm water. I'll go ahead and cover it up with a plastic wrap. Then some kitchen towel. I'll set this aside to activate for about 15 minutes. I'll get a bowl and come in with about 300 grams of regular flour. I'll come in with 100 grams of cornstarch. I'll go ahead and give it a good mix. The cornstarch will increase the softness. I'll grate in a little bit of nutmeg, a pinch of salt to taste. I'll give it a very good mix. My yeast has been activated, so I'll just pour it into the flour. I'll come in with about 150 grams of melted butter. I'll break in an egg, vanilla essence to taste. I'll pour in about 5 tablespoonfuls of full cream milk. Then I'll come in with about 5 teaspoonfuls of sugar. With the help of my wooden ladle, I'll mix everything up. I'll mix it up to form the dough. If you realize the dough is too hard, just come in with a little bit more of the milk. I'll get rid of the ladle and come in with my fingers. I'll mix it for about 5 minutes in the bowl. Now I'll put it on a wooden surface and knead it some more. I'll knead it for about 5 more minutes. So kneading for 5 minutes, I'll get my ceramic bowl and put the dough in it. I'll go ahead and cover it up with a plastic wrap. I'll top it up with some kitchen towel and set this aside for about 1 hour. So it's been after about 1 hour, and as you can see, it has risen. I'll go ahead and knead it for the second time. I'll knead it for about 5 more minutes. I'll get my rolling pin and roll out the dough I want to form a circle. Make sure it's not too thin. It should be about 1.5 centimeters thick. So I'll get my drinking glass and cut out perfect round shapes. I'll set them aside for later. So I'll put them in a pan, cover them up with a kitchen towel and leave them alone for about 40 minutes. So as you can see, it's been after about 40 minutes and they are ready. We'll get a pan and come in with some oil. The oil should be enough to cover about half of the donuts. So I'll fry one side for about 1.5 minutes. When it turns golden brown is ready, you just flip them over to fry the other side as well. As you can see, it is golden brown. They are ready. I'll just get them out of the hot oil. I'll let them cool down. Our donuts are ready. I'll go ahead and just sprinkle on some icing sugar. And look at this, guys. It's super soft inside. It tastes delicious and it smells delicious. As you can see, it's air filled and this melts in your mouth. You definitely need to give this a try. You definitely need to give this a try. The kids are going to love it and you are going to love it as well. You just need a few ingredients and you're ready to go. I hope I did help you and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.